Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you some steps, some tips to make your Excel sheet look better, right? So in this case, we have this example right here and we are going to adjust it with some few tips that are going to make our Excel sheet so much better, more aesthetical, easier to read and other things, right? So let's start. The first thing what we're going to do once that we have our Excel sheet, first is to save it. So we are going to save it pressing on File, Save As, and we are going to assign a name for this. In this case, I'm going to save it as tutorial. Now our file is saved. This is important because if we want to modify it, we need to have it saved. In other case, our modifications will remain and we won't be able to recover the original text, right? So, well, we have saved now our Excel document. Something else that we can do, as you can see, this is not looking good. So what we are going to do is an option that auto-fit rows and columns, right? So we are going to press Ctrl A to select the entire worksheet. Now we're going to auto-fit column width, right? So we are going to Home, Format, and now we are going to press on auto-fit column. Now, as you can see, it is looking kinda better, but we can also improve it pressing again and now pressing on auto-fit row height. You can't tell me that this isn't looking better, right? Now, what we can do is to remove duplicated text, right? So as you can see, there are a lot of text here that are duplicated. So we are going to Data and we are pressing on Remove Duplicates. We can delete the date, the client, the contact, etc. But in this case, I'm going to remove them all. Now, as you can see, we don't have duplicated text anymore. So now, if you see, this is looking really better, but we can also improve. For example, what I'm going to do right now is to delete these blank spaces, right? So I'm going to Home, Find and Select, and now we're going to press on Go to Special. Once here, we're going to select blanks, and now as you can see, every blank space is selected. The only thing that we have to do is to select on Delete. Now, as you can see, they have disappeared. So as you can see, there are some spaces that are still looking bad. What we are going to do is to make them look better is we are going to press this following shortcut. We are going to press Alt H O A. And now we are going to press Alt H O I. Sorry, I forgot that we have to select all the sheet. So we are going to press Ctrl A and now we are going to do it again. Alt H O I, Alt H O A. So now, as you can see, this is looking perfect. So that was all the tutorial. If you have any question or any suggestion, please leave it in the comments below. We hope this tutorial has helped you. If you want to see more videos like this one, we invite you to subscribe to our channel.